Hey guys, what's up? My name is Thomas Park. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use split tunneling with a VPN. I'm going to be using Proton VPN for this video, showing you how it works with BitTorrent. Now guys, as you know, I'm one of the few channels here on YouTube who does not have investments from VPN founders like a lot of other VPN channels you can see here on the screen. Secondarily, if you're wondering what most people think of channels that have investments from VPN founders, well, most people here on the channel think VPN channels and VPN reviews should be fully independent, just like this channel is. Proton is my #1 VPN provider. If you click on the link in the description down below, you'll get a discount and you'll help support the channel and objective grassroots VPN reviews just like this one, not big tech. Alright guys, with that in mind, let's go ahead and get into this tutorial. So guys, with Proton VPN, split tunneling is easy as a breeze. It's one of the reasons why it's one of my favorite VPNs actually. See this little button here? All you do is click split tunneling. Now you might be wondering, well, I've heard of split tunneling, I might know what it is, but what is it exactly? Well, just as Proton says here, if you do hover over, it says split tunneling is the best of both worlds. You can have some things in VPN and some things are not in VPN. So here we have BitTorrent. I'll show you how to set it up. So you just click split tunneling here. So with split tunneling and a lot of these features with Proton specifically, it is going to be an advanced feature. So you are going to need the paid model of Proton. Right now I'm on the free model just to illustrate that, and I do need to upgrade in order to show you guys that thing. So guys, now as you can see here, I am on the paid plan for Proton. And we're going to click split tunneling here, and now let's use it as you can see. So we're going to click that. So let's go ahead and use, let's do this one is for including selected apps and IP addresses. All other traffic is unprotected. Selected apps and IP addresses are excluded. So it kind of depends on what you want to do, but I think for most people's use cases, so let's say you want to use it for torrenting, you don't really care about your browser, maybe you don't care about your internet service provider seeing your browser. Well, then you could do with the include mode and only select BitTorrent, or you could just have everything and maybe not your gaming. So it kind of is up to you. So for this one, I would say maybe this is pretty good if you want to have your VPN on all the time. This one is good for specific applications. So let's go ahead and add an application and show you how to do it. So we're going to really need to find where BitTorrent is. And one way you could do that is type in BitTorrent. You click here, open file location. That's a good way to find it. So we're just going to copy and paste that just like that. And we're going to go here, and there you go. There's BitTorrent. So now we have BitTorrent added, and we click applied. So it's only going to include BitTorrent here. So pretty much what we're going to do is click connect, and so we'll show you here, guys. So now BitTorrent is going to be connected with split tunneling, but our browser, gaming, and stuff like that isn't going to be connected. So that's as easy as it is right there. Looks like something might have happened there with that connection. So I did have some issues I had to fix on my specific account. I just probably because I went from the free to paid model. And if you ever have trouble connecting, just go ahead and log out of Proton, log back in. And now, as you can see, we have split tunneling. So as you can see here, only BitTorrent is working with it. So that is a pretty cool feature. Now you can do it the reverse. It's just pretty much the same. So let me know what you guys thought of this down in the description down below. Do you like split tunneling? Is it useful? Are you going to check out Proton to help support the channel? Do you like this channel? I'd be interested here. Anyways, I'll see you very soon in the next video.